Students, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, we are doing the chapter, the glimpses of the past. It is a very big chapter, so it is again in front of you. Glimpses of the past. Okay, means we are studying about it's a true story that how we Indians lagged behind comparatively to foreign countries. It's just because we Indians were completely under force of English government to follow the small to follow and pay attention on the small situations like widow, child marriage, religions kind of things. And while on the other hand the Indian English government, they were busy in establishment of their British companies, English companies in India, and they earned a lot of money while importing of the foreign goods, English goods to Indian markets. Okay, so now just because of that, the situation to overcome. Okay, as the time advanced, we are doing the topic the sparks. The sparks, this topic I have given because it is clearly specified that how we Indians started a movement against the English government. So and when we got the freedom, that we all know that we got the freedom in 1947, but it started from 1855. The movement was started from 1855. Initiation it was, but the revolt of 1857 revolt is very much known to each and every single Indians and every person in the world. Okay, actually the English government, they first entered India and they ruled India for hundreds of years just because they entered from Bengal side, and then they ruled all over India. Because why they entered from Bengal only? Why didn't they enter from like other states? Just, just because in Bengal, the Indians that were used to live in during that time in 80s, 70s, 80s. Okay, the reason is that that time the Indian people, the Bengalis actually, they were like their thinking was like to overcome with each others. They don't understand and they don't had that feeling that we should all move with equality. Okay, so that is the reason they feel jealous of each other. Okay, so the sparks, the discontent had risen to such a level that it was now taking the form of a rebellion. Means the movement, the against movement against the English government was started in such a way that now it has become a worldwide movement. Taxes ruined the peasants and the new land rules has made the Santals in Bengal desperate. Actually, what the because English government put high taxes, and that high taxes over land and the land rules were also changed. So the people, they were completely ruined, and the Santals is a tribal caste in Bengal. They got desperate. They massacred Europeans and their supporters. So they were against Europeans and their supporters. Similar situation was to be seen within the Indian company's army. This condition was there in Indian company's army. The Indian soldiers were quick to understand that their English counterparts were getting a much better salary, bungalows to live in, and servants to attend them. The Indian army was very quick to understand the response, and they immediately thought that comparatively to other Indians, but there are few Indians, as I told you in the previous class, there were few Indians who were given the English language information, the classes to learn English, to speak English, and to become the middleman between the Britishers and the Indians. So those Indians were getting the better salary, bungalows to live in, and servants to attend them, just so that those Indians will support Britishers, and it happened so. The Indian soldiers were merely losing their religion and age-old customs by traveling to distant lands, which was considered against their customs. The Indians, actually the people who were living in the golden spoon kind of conditions, means completely fully satisfied services they are getting from Britishers. Okay, why? Because they were the middleman, so, between Indians and British government. So few means Indian soldiers were losing their religion and age by traveling through the distance. Okay, against, and it was against their customs. So they also found out that the grease used on the bullets was made from the fat of cows and pigs, which was a blasphemy for most Indians. Means Indian soldiers were there under. There was an Indian soldiers battalion worked under British government. Okay, so the bullet that they had to use was made the that cover was made up of fats of cows and pigs. So if you remember, you must have seen the movie that one movie was there, Rang De Basanti. Yes. So in that movie, Amir Khan completely opposed for the British government just to not to use the bullets made of cows fats of cows and pigs. So they soon spread their message, and they were against the British government just because of this bullets issue. So they spread a message among all the people who lived nearby them, like they were called as the brethren. Brethren means the people who live in the village, which in normal terms in Hindi we call them bhai. Okay, so जो भाई बंधुओं में they spread the message in the villages to be ready with support in case of open revolt. If it happened that we are since we are against these laws and policies of the British government, so we can start open revolt against the British government. Okay, so how the revolt of 1857 started and what are the results, that we will discuss